Okay, time to take a look at the Narbell cordless blower. So we've got our nozzle. There you go. Just kind of clicks in like that. And it has a little angled tip on it. So you can angle it down and still be shooting straight out. We got the blower itself. What's cool about this is you don't even really have to attach that nozzle to it. If you want to use something that's going to be nice and short, like if you need to dust out your car, you can just use it like this. As a leaf blower, it just clicks right in. No issues there. We got our battery pack. This is a 20 volt and it is a 1500 milliamp hour. It is a standard. Oh, that's cool. It actually has the battery whenever you press this down. I've never seen that before. But it is a standard clip style and it has a charging port right there, as well as double contacts on each contact. So that's going to make a nice connection. Oh yeah. That pushes quite a bit of air. That is fairly impressive. And here's our charger. It says good for 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. And outputs 0.5 amps at 21 volts. So, let's see how it does. Oh yeah! It kind of kicks butt. Cool. That thing's pretty awesome. So two things I could say I immediately like about it. It is small and lightweight, so this thing isn't going to fatigue me, so I can run this for a long time without having to worry about it. And the second thing is just that it's fairly quiet. This thing does not make a lot of noise at all. So I really like it.